Is it recording? You sure?
Yes!
Okay. My name is Amanda Lee, and this is my model, Kendall. This is her mom, Lynn, and this is Justin, and they will be my audience today. Okay, sit down. When people go to the movies, they often see these crazy dressed-up characters, and they wonder how they do that. Today, I'm going to show you how to do the look inspired by a couple of the characters from the movie Insidious. We're going to use a lot of products, so I'm just going to list them as I go. To begin with, you need to put a very pale type color foundation all over the face and get as maximum coverage as possible. And you can come closer to get a little closer look. We're going to use eyeshadow, 2 types of eyeshadow, eyeliner, a mascara, blush, and the blush needs to be an unnatural red color. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start on this side with the eyes, or with the blush, I'm sorry. We're taking this cherry red with a stiff bristle brush, and just in a very plain circular motion, you're going to apply it to the apples of the cheeks, and you're not going to blend it out too much because we want it to look unnatural. And then taking a loose setting powder, you're going to brush this all over the face. This is going to give it a more flawless and blended look. And we also, with the foundation, went a little bit on the lips because we're going to white out the lips later on, the sides of the lips.
And
Alright, next we're going to go to the eyes. We're going to use this skin tone color with not very much shimmer or shine to it, no glitter. And put that all over the eye as white as you can get it, as covered as you can get it. Next, take a taupe color that's much darker than the skin tone. We're going to add some false definition and use a stiff dome brush. And just in the crease of the eye, make a shadow. Just one straight line in the crease of the shadow. And you're not going to go all the way in. We don't want a semicircle. And then blend that out ever so lightly. This isn't a smoky eye by any means. Next is a very difficult part. We're going to be using a black cream liner with a stiff angle brush. Come closer for this. Get as close to the lash line as possible and slowly dab it in the lash line. Once you've gotten it close to the lash line, you're going to take it and make one line above it to give it a little bit more drama, make it a little bit thicker, and extend it just a little bit outside of the natural lash line lid. Just like that, making it just a little bit thicker. Because cream liners are so wet, we're going to take a black powder, as you can see, and pat that on top of it to set it. This will also give it a cartoon type look by making it look matte and not slick. And now if you'll look all the way up. Now tucking it under the lashes, the bottom lashes, you're going to dab this across the bottom line and try and make it as flat and even as possible.
your hand.
And then with the powder again. And if you mess up, simply take a Q-tip and run it very gently across, and that will make it flatten out. Add as many layers of mascara as it takes to make the lashes thick and spidery. Like I said, this is a very dramatic look, and we are exaggerating everything. Now with the next difficult part, we're going to take red lip liner and just keep your lips as very natural as possible. And starting, you can over-exaggerate the lips just a little bit, make the top of a heart with the Cupid's bow of the lip. Just like the top of a heart. And with the bottom, following that same line, make a U shape for a small bottom lip. After you've done that, take a matte red lipstick, so with no glitter, no shimmer, and fill that in. And once you're done filling in the lips, if you see any accidents, you can go back with the Q-tip, like I said earlier. And if you make any accidents, you can go back with the Q-tip. And smooth out the line. And then taking the rest of what's left on your liquid foundation, you're going to white the lips out even more. And then taking the powder, take your finger and pat over it, over the whited out corners of the lip. And that is all you need to get this 1950s, 1960s baby doll look. To recap, just to have a foundation, blush, unnatural looking blush, a setting powder, natural looking eyeliner, eyeshadow, and dramatic eyeliner, dramatic lids, lashes, and dramatic tightened lips. And that is all for this. Do we have any questions?
Yes, I have a question.
Okay.
Where can we find the most of these products?
Most of these I got from either Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Walmart.
Okay.
Anything else?
And where can we find more techniques like these?
I found a lot of the techniques that I've learned throughout makeup on YouTube, just from YouTube videos. And that's it. Thank you for watching.